All right, running out of battery here. We're gonna see if we can make it down Leaning Elm in time to get the whole run in. Probably not. Apparently there's another trail over there called Prairie Dog. Looks like actually the easy trail here. Did not know that existed. We'll skip that one today. So far I think this is actually the smoothest of these PH tracks. It's getting a little chunky. That was a bad stick in the way. Nice little berm. Hop over these roots. A little bit of a flat turn out of the berm there. Alright, another wall ride. And another. Yeah, this one's a little bigger. Not feeling that one. No, not this one either. A little more vertical on those. Start to get a little worried on them. Alright, looks like we are pretty much at the bottom now. Stay left. And hit these elevated, not so much skinnies, platforms. Okay, and we're back down to the bottom. That will complete it for the Thunder Chicken Trail system.